James done a brilliant job presenting everyone, I think. I think he should have another round of applause. I tell you what, at his age, I couldn't even present for my dinner, so I think it's a fantastic job. I also think that the point I want to make is that your twist on this, not completely original, but I think there is a hole in the market, and then that hole is, the reason I like it is that you feel like you're attacking something rather than defending it, and that's the point that you made. To be honest with you, it's a little bit of a tenuous link to the book, to be completely honest. And I think you ought to think about, as you move from level to level, exploiting a little bit more of the story of the book in any way you can. It could be some text, or it could be some images. You could, if you had all the time, and I'm going to give you like 20 features to add, by the way. It's going to be useless, but you could add a little mini game in there just to make a nod to that book. Because me as a consumer, if you ask me to buy something because it's attached to a book that I loved, or any form of merchandising, I can feel a bit cheated.
We are taking this on board. John here has been stressing the fact that it needs to tie more into the book. And we have got ways of doing this. The first one will be with level-specific mechanics. All of these levels are tied to the book, so these are locations from the book. And in each level there will be a specific mechanic, such as fire ants making their way up and down screen from the book. We will be introducing these characters through a simple text screen saying, this character's here, why it's here, in the relation to the book. A simple pop-up.
That's great to hear. Just one tip on your presentation, when you introduce this, give me a little bit of a backstory in the book. Just to say, look, here we are, chapter 5, it's the Battle of Apnor, and blah 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 blah, and it just kind of reinforces that. Now, one thing, I'm going to try not to deluge you with stuff. One thing that I didn't really get, and I think maybe because they're set up here, is sound.
Okay. We've got plenty of sound.
Now,
sound is very important. So
I'm absolutely sure. Now, you want